IAGA stock analysis and price predictions in IAG. Iamgold stock a buy. Is it a buy? Let's talk about it. Like, simply put, it's a beautiful bullish market, and my whole bias on this is obviously how can I position myself in a long opportunity here. So how are things going to look like? Well, this is a 2-hour chart. Let's go 1 hour. Right, this is so nice, but the only thing that I actually dying to see is the price pulling down, correcting, and giving me a double break. Bro, other than that, this is just, it's not it, you know. It's not gonna buy unless rules are met, of course. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. Yeah, I mean, yeah, IAG. I also got not much receipts here, Dell, but like, if you put it like this, that's exactly what I'm waiting for. And if my rules are not met, I'm not gonna buy. Very simple. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just of course click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Other than that, it's all pure noise. Goodbye and enjoy.